Maharashtra has planned for 4 FSI in non-development zone, which means the notification has already been issued for the purpose of increasing FSI from zero point 0.2 to 4, which means nearly 20 times. Where there was no development earlier proposed, now 20 times development is expected to happen, which means it is definitely going to take care of various issues. In the sense, there will be a traffic problem, there will be other problems which need to be taken care. Now, I am not per se against the development, but what I personally feel is it is going to have a lot of botheration or load on the infrastructure. So therefore need to be looked into, and maybe the no development zones can be permitted for various recreation facilities, maybe sports activities, stadium and other things where the FSI from 0.2 may be increased to half or maybe maximum 1. So increasing 20 times I think is going to be little difficult for the infrastructure to take care of city of Mumbai. It may be done maybe phase wise. That is also a possible. Now coming to the FSI increase in other area which is more concerned, which is more important. In South Mumbai we have 17,000 cess buildings where the cluster development has been announced. Now it is not happening. So the government should work out the via media where the affordable housing can be happening and the FSI can be increased so that housing can take care over in South Mumbai. And suburb also the affordable housing scheme need to be done where the FSI of 4 may be permitted so that one FSI may be given to the government by constructing remaining 3 FSI which can be available for the developer to construct and sell at affordable rate to the consumers. Lot of concession for such things can be given, and that is what is important. Then developing no development zone. Anyhow, the government is moving in the right direction, and I am hoping that in the days to come, FSI for other areas also will go. Thank you.